Dollar General Paper Products Haul. Angel Soft, $5 a pack, 12 pack. Hubs really is smart. This is his favorite errand to run, paper products at the Dollar General. Oh, his paper products haul. When we're at Dollar General, we always check out the dollar sections to look at the deals. And there's tons. We love Dollar General just to take a peek and see if there's something we need in the dollar section. COVID's on the rise. Stock up on those hand sanitizers, those soap dispensers, and the wipes. Just have them all about the house, dollar section. Dollar General is a great resource to start your prepper's pantry. Start your prepper's pantry at the DG. Don't sleep, you guys. Cleaning supplies, cleaning supplies. Some of them, all of them, they have to do something. So it wouldn't be bad to just stock up on some cleaning supplies. Laundry detergent, it's going to be a rough ride, you guys. Stock up now. Hit your dollar section. Who doesn't love Fabuloso? Whoa! That is a lot. That is a lot. And all for this price. $115 at the DG.